What if I told you that the next smartphone you're waiting for might completely change the way you use AI in your daily life? Well, the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is here to do exactly that, and trust me, this one is not just another upgrade. It's a serious game changer that's designed to feel smarter, faster, and more personal than ever before, and right from the first look. You'll notice its stunning premium design paired with a massive and ultra-smooth display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a refresh rate that makes everything feel incredibly fluid whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching content. But the real magic starts under the hood where Google is expected to introduce its next-generation Tensor chip, built specifically for AI-powered performance, making everything from voice recognition to real-time translations faster and more accurate than ever. And this means your phone doesn't just respond. It understands you, adapts to you, and works like a true assistant in your pocket. And when it comes to the camera, Pixel devices have always dominated, but this time the Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to take things to a whole new level with an upgraded multi-lens system that uses advanced AI processing to capture incredibly detailed photos, even in low light, along with improved zoom capabilities and cinematic video recording that could rival professional cameras. And yes, if you love photography or content creation, this phone might just blow your mind. And now let's talk about battery, because what's power without endurance, right? The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to pack a larger battery with smarter power optimization driven by AI, meaning your phone learns your usage habits and saves battery exactly where it matters, giving you all-day usage without stress, plus faster charging and possibly improved wireless charging features to keep you going without interruption. And performance-wise, this device is not just about speed but consistency. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using heavy apps, everything feels seamless and smooth thanks to optimized software and hardware integration. And speaking of software, it will likely launch with the latest Android version, offering exclusive features, enhanced privacy controls, and a clean, bloat-free experience that Pixel users absolutely love. And now here's where things get really interesting. Leaks suggest that Google might introduce some exclusive AI features that we haven't even seen before, possibly changing how we interact with our phones forever, and that's something worth waiting for. And as for the launch date, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to be unveiled around October, following Google's usual release pattern. But knowing Google, there could always be a surprise reveal that catches everyone off guard. And honestly, if all these rumors turn out to be true, this phone could easily become one of the best flagship devices of the year. But here's the real question. Are you ready for a smartphone that doesn't just keep up with you but actually thinks ahead for you? Because the Pixel 11 Pro XL might just be that device. And before you decide, just remember, sometimes the biggest upgrades are the ones you don't expect until you experience them, and this phone might be hiding one feature that could completely surprise users at launch, something Google hasn't fully revealed yet. So make sure you stay tuned because you don't want to miss that moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.